Hi friends, welcome to Poorna GRAHINI channel. Today in this video I shall explain the making of veg brinji rice, which is a recipe that's included in all traditional South Indian wedding platter. Soak 1 cup of basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 4 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and saute well. Add 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped, 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped and 2 vertically slit green chilies and saute well. Add 2 medium-sized onions sliced and saute well till the onions turn golden brown. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves and saute well. Add 1 small sized sliced tomato to this and saute well till the tomato becomes mushy. Then add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and saute well. Now add half a cup each of chopped carrot, chopped beans and chopped potatoes and saute well. Now add 1/4 cup of green peas. If you do not have fresh green peas, you can use the dried green peas, but make sure you soak them in water for about 8 hours before using it for this recipe. Drain off the water from the soaked basmati rice and add the basmati rice to the cooker. Add 3/4 cup of coconut milk along with 1.25 cups of water. Add a few coriander leaves and pressure cook for about 1 whistle followed by 2 minutes in sim flame. While the rice is being pressure cooked, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and add about 6 cashews in them and roast it well till they turn golden brown. Next, you take about 4 to 6 pieces of rusk. Alternatively, you can use bread slices also. Break the rusk into smaller pieces. Deep fry them in oil in batches and fry them till golden brown and keep aside. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker and add the juice of half a lemon. Add the fried cashews and rusk pieces and mix well and serve hot with accompaniment of your choice. Please do try this recipe and enjoy the art of cooking. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe Poorna GRAHINI.